Ghana to license Bitcoin and crypto platforms. Now, this article was published originally on bitcoinmagazine.com. Now, this is getting exciting for me because I want to paint a picture in your mind of what's about to happen with global commerce as a result of Web3. So right now, if you and I wanted to go and we wanted to do business, let's say there was this amazingly valuable widget that we found that was made in Ghana that we recognized other people in the country where we live or where you live are going to find extremely valuable. And let's say we thought this would be a great new opportunity for business. Well, right now, if we wanted to go in with the Swift banking system and wire funds into Ghana and transact our business that way, it's not the easiest thing to do. And not just only Ghana, but cross-border payments, wiring monies from Canada, the United States, or Europe into other parts of the world, Central America, South America, Southeast Asia, and Africa. It's actually really difficult. The rules and the regulations governing the funds in each country change. Your ability to get access to your money, it's not necessarily the easiest. Getting it back to where you reside is not easy. But Web3 is going to provide us as humanity an opportunity to do business faster and more easily than ever before. And I'll just give you an example. Right now, if you and I found something in Ghana that we thought was amazing and we wanted to put it online or sell it back in the country that we reside, let's say you're watching this from Europe or the United States or Canada. Well, if we just wanted to use the traditional existing Swift banking system, it's not that easy. And it's not just stating that is the case with Ghana. I'm talking about for you to send money from Canada, the United States, or Europe to Central America, South America, Southeast Asia, or Africa, it's actually pretty complicated. And the rules and laws in each individual country that you're wanting to send the money to, they vary. As an example, in some countries in South America, just to get your money there landed and gain access to it is a nightmare of diligence and providing documentation and proof of where you've gotten the funds from just for that particular country, let alone actually doing business, not even to mention assuming you're doing that business and you want to bring those monies back to where you live, it's a whole other story. So just the amount of time and the complication of the business cycle of commerce is right now to date a huge hurdle and an obstacle to progress and growth. Whereas now with Web3, assuming Ghana moves this forward and the Bank of Ghana allows for these Web3 technologies and solutions to be implemented, if, for example, let's say Peace Through Trade was the solution being implemented in Ghana, well, we're a KYC AML system. So once you're in and approved with the Peace Through Trade system, once you found someone that you want to do commerce with in Ghana, you can verify as well that they're a legitimate seller, that they're credible, and that they themselves have passed KYC AML. And now when you send funds, it's instantaneous. They immediately receive it. When they send funds to you, it's instantaneous. And you could immediately off-ramp it into whatever banking system that you're using in your country of residence. So Web3 is going to change the game. It's going to take the entire global capital markets, the whole amount of business that we're doing globally. And in the coming decades, it could actually double the total global market cap just by allowing us the ability to have instant, easy, safe, and secure access on these commerce rails of Web3 and blockchain, if you will. So it's really cool to see the regulatory progression and forward thinking of the government of Ghana. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below on how you think this will impact yourself, your business, or how you're excited now as a result of seeing the potential for the future to utilize Web3.